Hello, I'm Emmanuel Steven, EMS Graphics, and in this video I'm going to give this photo a cyberpunk look in Photoshop. In case you have not yet subscribed, please do so and also ring the bell to stay notified of my future uploads. That really matters a lot to me. I will start by zooming in and with the use of the magic wand tool, I will click on these writings. I will only select these two because the color of the light I will add are different from the other two. Then scroll down to the adjustment panel and click on solid color and pick a very bright color, sort of blue. Then use the magic wand tool again to select the other two and add a different solid color to it. I'll make this a bright blue, then I'll change the other to a bright red color. Then go back to my main photo and then add a hue and saturation adjustment layer. I will then move the hue slider until the light changes to blue. Then move the slider of the saturation a little also. Now I will select this part out and also this one. Then I will remove the effects of the hue and saturation on the selections I've made earlier. Now create another hue and saturation adjustment layer, toggle on colorize and intensify the reds a little. Then close the effects. Now invert the layer marks. You can do that by holding Ctrl+I. Then duplicate the adjustment layer you've created and change this to a blue color. Then with a soft brush selected, be sure the opacity is at 100. Then click on the lights, just 3 clicks is okay. Also for the other, I will just do the same. Then I will clean this part out here because it's overlapping on the reds. Then also do the same for the reds. I will a little bit intensify the reds and reduce the opacity. That's it. And also brighten up the writings a little. Then I will do a little bit of touching around on the reflections of the red light. Now again pick the polygonal lasso tool, zoom in to see clearly and carefully select out the end of the street there. Take it out to a different layer above. Then add a solid color, just be sure to get a red color. And invert the layer marks. Pick a soft round brush with opacity set to 100, then click twice and then reduce the opacity a little. Now create a layer containing all the layers by holding Ctrl, Shift, Alt and then E. Then duplicate one. I will use this one for the reflection of the red light above on that water. Then select this red light with the polygonal lasso tool. Then add a layer mask to it. And Ctrl+T for the transform tool. I'll flip it vertical. And then reduce the size a little. And clean this part out. The reflection should be on the water only. I will reduce the opacity and set the blend mode to linear lights. Now finally, I'll convert this to a smart object and go to the filter and click on camera filter. I'll just do a little bit of magic here and so here's the final edited photo. Please feel free to leave a comment behind and a thumbs up. That really means a lot to me.